Our CES 2020 coverage is made possible thanks to EK, MSI, Thermaltake, Patriot, Lian Li, XPG, ViewSonic Elite, ECS Elite Group, and Creative.
Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com. Now, if I was to ask you, name me, I guess, the best specs you physically could for a monitor, what sort of things would you say? I'm pretty sure you'd say it would have to be a decent size, maybe 27 inch. You'd have to say maybe 4K resolution. It would have to have extremely good brightness. It would have to have just really kind of crystal clear quality. What if I was to say that you can get all that from ADATA XPG? Now, while ADATA XPG are more formally known for DRAM and SSD based products, they have been venturing out quite a lot recently in terms of making gaming peripherals and so much more, even down to a laptop, and definitely go and check that one out in another video. But what else kind of makes up that full picture of having the ultimate gaming setup? Of course, it's got to be a monitor. So what they have is their new series of gaming monitors. And to start with, there's a 27 inch, which is absolutely to die for. So to start with, the panels are made by LG and AOU, which is pretty damn impressive because LG are making some amazing displays at the moment on gaming monitors as well as televisions, and they really do have a huge market share. So they've definitely gone with the right manufacturer of panel. Though what does make it impressive is the fact that they've included their own backlight technology. So basically things seem so much brighter, and I will get down to exactly what the specs are very, very shortly. So the XPG Photon features a 4K resolution using an IPS panel. Now what's really cool is that you actually get DCI P3 95+ color reproduction, which is pretty damn impressive. Now above that you get FreeSync, burst refresh, and also that 144Hz refresh rate. Now in terms of the brightness, like I said, with that backlight, you actually get a whopping 1500 nits of brightness, which is just absolutely astronomical. Now as a content creator myself, I want this more for creating content than I do gaming. Yes, I game in the evenings and at the weekends, but for the most part, 1500 nits worth of brightness with that DCI P3 color profile is going to be absolutely amazing for color grading and bringing all this purple and blue behind me, really sort of making it pop. Now there will be another panel which is a full HD panel with 240Hz and 600 nits brightness. However, that one wasn't actually on display at CES. Now for the most part I can see why they'd want to have their kind of flagship model there, which obviously was the 4K one with the 1500 nits brightness. Now if that's not enough for you, if you turn the monitor around, you actually get a beautiful looking back panel. It's actually covered in fabric for a kind of really unique look to it. It also has a little bit of RGB just, added on because RGB, well, it makes everything better, as we all know. Now the last kind of cool, unique feature of it is actually the desk clamp system. The way that you can actually clamp it onto your desk, or you could use a monitor stand if you really wanted to. But it just allows you to kind of swing things out and sort of position the monitor exactly where you need it to really get that most immersive feeling when gaming, or even to just, really sort of get that clarity that you need when doing things like content creation. So ADATA XPG, if you're listening, I'd definitely love to get one of these in and really sort of see how it works for content creators as well as gamers, because I literally am on both ends of the spectrum. Now, no word on pricing and availability as of yet, but you can probably bet with those sort of features, it's not going to be the cheapest thing in the world. But I honestly think, depending on the user, it could be, I guess, one of the best monitors ever created by a brand who's never made a monitor before. Can't believe I just said that, but it should be interesting. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, you know exactly what to do, and I will see you in the next one. See you later, guys. Bye-bye.